Do you want to unlock the secrets to YouTube success? Well, you've come to the right place. This video is your roadmap, your guide to the elusive yet enticing world of YouTube stardom. We're going to dive deep into the nuts and bolts of what it takes to not just survive but thrive in the ever-evolving landscape of this platform. Now you might be thinking, there are millions of videos on YouTube, how can mine stand out? That's a valid question, and the answer lies in understanding the unique dynamics of this platform and leveraging them to your advantage. We're talking about creative tips and tricks that can amplify your content, increase your reach, and ultimately boost your chances of success. So, what's in store for you in this video? Well, we'll be exploring a wide range of topics, each essential to your journey of becoming a YouTube sensation. From understanding your audience, to crafting compelling content, optimizing your videos for SEO, promoting your videos effectively, and maintaining consistency and patience throughout the process. Each of these elements plays a crucial role in the grand scheme of YouTube success. But remember, there's no one-size-fits-all approach here. What works for one may not work for another. The key is to be adaptable, to be willing to experiment, and to keep learning along the way. And that's what we're here for. To provide you with the tools, the insights, and the strategies so you can carve your own path, create your own unique success story. And hey, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Not only does it help us keep producing these helpful guides, but it also ensures you don't miss out on any future tips and tricks we have to share. So, are you ready to transform your YouTube journey? To turn your passion into a thriving online presence? To unlock the secrets of YouTube success? If your answer is yes, then buckle up. Get ready to embark on a journey to YouTube stardom. The first step to YouTube success is understanding your audience. You're not just creating videos for the sake of it, right? You're creating for people with distinct tastes, preferences, and behaviors. And the magic happens when your content meets their desires. So, how do you get to know your audience? Dive into your YouTube analytics. Look at the demographics. Are your viewers mostly teenagers, adults, or seniors? Are they predominantly male or female? From which countries do they hail? Next, analyze viewer behavior. Which videos do they watch the most? When do they typically watch your videos? Do they engage more with certain types of content? Finally, understand their preferences. What do they like? What don't they like? Are there any patterns or trends in their comments or feedback? The answers to these questions aren't just data, they're insights. They're keys to unlock the potential of your channel. By knowing your viewers, you can create content that resonates with them, driving engagement and growth. Next, we delve into the heart of success, crafting compelling content. This is where your creativity shines, where your passion becomes palpable. High-quality content isn't just about 4K video or crystal clear audio, it's about offering something of substance, something that resonates with viewers. It's about the power of storytelling. Telling a story isn't merely narrating events, it's about weaving a narrative that grabs attention, that sparks curiosity, that evokes emotion. It's about taking the ordinary and making it extraordinary. To create engaging content, you need to understand what captivates your audience. Is it humor? Is it raw emotion? Is it thought-provoking insights? Once you know, infuse that element into your content. But remember, it's not just about what you say, but how you say it. A unique perspective, a fresh take, a new angle. These can make your content stand out in the sea of videos. Remember, content is king. Make it compelling, and they will come. Now let's dive into the technical side of things. Optimizing your videos for SEO. You've got your killer content, but how do you make sure people can find it? That's where search engine optimization, or SEO, comes in. It's all about making your videos discoverable, and there are a few key ways to do that. First up, keywords. Think about what your potential viewers might be typing into the search bar. Those are your keywords. Use them in your titles, descriptions, and even your tags. But remember, it's not just about stuffing as many keywords as you can. They need to be relevant and used naturally. Next, we have tags. Tags are like hashtags for YouTube. They help the platform understand what your video is about, which can help it show up in relevant searches. But again, relevancy is key here. Use accurate tags that truly represent your content. Then, there's your video description. This is another great place to use your keywords, but it's also an opportunity to provide additional information about your video and your channel. And don't forget to include a call to action, like asking viewers to subscribe or check out your other videos. Titles are another crucial element. They should be catchy, engaging, and contain your main keywords. Remember, your title is one of the first things viewers see, so make it count. Now let's talk about thumbnails. These are the little images viewers see before clicking on your video. A good thumbnail can greatly increase your click-through rate. It should be visually appealing, relevant to your content, and if possible, include some text for context. Lastly, there are annotations and end screens. These are interactive elements that can drive viewer engagement. Use them to promote your other videos, ask for likes and subscriptions, or direct viewers to your website or social media channels. SEO might sound technical, but it's a crucial step you can't afford to skip. So take your time, do your research, and give your videos the best chance of being discovered. Remember, you've got great content. Now it's time to make sure people can find it. We've made a great video, but how do we get people to watch it? It's time for promotion. Promotion is not just about shouting from the rooftops that you have a new video. It's about tactfully introducing your content to potential viewers who might find it interesting. There are many ways to do this, and we're going to talk about a few of them now. Firstly, let's talk about social media. It's a powerful tool that can help you reach thousands, if not millions, of potential viewers. Share your videos on platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and even LinkedIn, depending on the nature of your content. But remember, it's not just about dropping a link and hoping for the best. Craft engaging posts that pique curiosity and encourage people to click through to watch your video. Next, collaborations. Teaming up with other YouTubers for a video or a series of videos is a fantastic way to tap into their audience. It's a win-win situation. They get access to your audience and you get access to theirs. So look for YouTubers with similar content or audience demographics and reach out to them. You never know where a simple message might lead. Lastly, let's not forget about engaging with viewers. Responding to comments on your videos, starting discussions, and hosting live chats are all ways to engage with your audience. This not only helps to build a community around your content, but also encourages viewers to share your videos with their network. Plus, it shows that you value their input and are willing to interact with them, which can significantly increase viewer loyalty. And of course, don't forget to ask viewers to like, share, and subscribe. It might seem like a small thing, but these actions can help your videos get more visibility on YouTube. Remember, promotion is not a one-time thing. It's a continuous process that requires consistency and creativity. So, keep trying different strategies, see what works best for your content and audience, and keep refining your approach. Promotion is the key to getting your videos in front of a wider audience. Don't shy away from it. Last but not least, let's talk about the virtues of consistency and patience. You see, to truly unlock YouTube success, it's not just about creating compelling content or optimizing your videos. There's a rhythm to this dance. And the rhythm is consistency. It's about showing up, again and again, with fresh content that resonates with your audience. This means sticking to a regular posting schedule that your viewers can rely on, whether it's every day, every week, or even every month. Now let's address the elephant in the room: patience. YouTube stardom doesn't happen overnight. It's not a sprint, it's a marathon. It may take months or even years to see substantial growth, but remember, every great YouTuber started from zero. So buckle up for the long haul. Keep creating, keep posting, and most importantly, keep believing in your vision. With consistency and patience, you're setting yourself up for long-term success. So, we've covered a lot today. Let's quickly recap. We kicked off with the secret to YouTube success, which is, essentially, understanding your audience. Know who they are, what they like, and how they interact with your content. This understanding is the foundation of everything else. Then we moved on to crafting compelling content. We emphasized the importance of creating videos that resonate with your audience, that entertain, educate, or inspire. Next, we tackled optimizing your videos for SEO. We discussed how crucial it is to use keywords effectively, create engaging thumbnails, and write compelling descriptions. After that, we explored promoting your videos. We highlighted the value of leveraging social media, collaborations, and other platforms to get your content in front of more people. Finally, we stressed the importance of consistency and patience. Success doesn't happen overnight. It requires dedication, persistence, and time. Remember, the journey to YouTube success is a marathon, not a sprint. Keep learning, keep improving, and most importantly, keep creating. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on your YouTube journey.